Let us see what an abstract class and abstract method in Python is. So let's see this with a simple example and then try to understand what abstract class is. Now let's say I want to make this abstract class example as an abstract class. I want to make this as an abstract class. So I need to do two things for this. One, I need to derive this from the class ABC, and ABC is capital ABC is a class, is a utility class that is actually of type ABC meta. So we will see more about it. So ABC, small abc is the module, abc.py is the module in C Python, and this abc.py defines this ABC class, and this abstract method is a function decorator. Okay, now I want to make this abstract class example as an abstract class. So what do I do for that? I have to do two things. One, I need to derive from the class ABC, and I need to have a method, and above that I need to have a decorator at abstract method. So I need to do two things to make this class abstract. One is I should derive from class ABC, and another is I should have this function decorator at abstract method. And then you have another derived class, which is, you can see right here, another derived class which is derived from abstract class example. And then here you have this UR here. UR here is an abstract method that is overridden here, and you can also use the keyword super to call UR here, and then I print this is a derived class implementation. Now please take a look at this. I am creating an object of another derived class, which is the derived class here, and then I am calling your here method. So this is calling super, so it will print this and then come back here and print this. So let's run this by clearing all the outputs first. So let's run this, and here we go. You can see that I created an object of the derived class, and then it is actually derived from this abstract base class. Now you might ask, how are you saying that it's an abstract class? Well, if it's an abstract class, there are two conditions. One is you cannot create an instance out of it, and it should have at least one abstract method. So at least one abstract method, that condition is satisfied here. Let's check if we can create an instance out of this abstract class example. So here we go. I'm trying to create an object of the abstract class over here, and you can see that this is creating an error once I create an abstract class. Why? Because of the simple reason you cannot create an instance of the abstract class, right? You cannot create an instance. It is there only for as an interface, so you're not supposed to create an instance. And since we have derived it from ABC and abstract method, so we are not able to create a object of the abstract class. But once you comment this out, I don't want to create an object of the abstract class, and this runs fine. The other way you can create an abstract class is when you're defining the abstract class, you can just say meta class equal to ABC meta. Now this ABC meta is actually the meta class that contains the meta class definition. So either you can do like this, or you can just derive from class ABC. This ABC is actually derived from ABC meta. In other words, ABC meta is the meta class for the class ABC, and ABC is just a utility class that just derives with its meta class as ABC meta. So you can also do like this. You can see that it absolutely works fine. And if I remove the comment here and then try to create an object of the abstract class, it's going to give me an error. It's going to throw me an error. Here we go. Can't instantiate abstract class example with abstract methods. You are here. So I'm not able to create an object of the abstract class. And so as I told you, there are two conditions. One is you should have at least one abstract method, and then it should have been derived from the class ABC, or meta class is equal to ABC meta. If you have these two conditions satisfied, then the class you write will be an abstract class, and it serves as an interface. And I hope you understood the idea of what is an abstract class in Python and how to do one. And as I told you, it comes from the ABC module, and ABC module has all the infrastructure to define the custom abstract classes. And ABC module also has the declaration for the @abstract method decorator, and the ABC module also has the ABC meta class definition. I hope you got all the details of the abstract class and how it is created in Python. Hope you liked this video. Please give me your comments below and share your thoughts. I'd be glad to see them all together. Thanks a lot for watching.